She said she feel hurt, but in a earthquake. Your love breathing, take a sperm break. Money talk, bullshit walk. She said me right off the chalk. And the truth me attack, matches and spark. Man to man, couple up like the ark.
Yes, it's Jamaica and others. Yes, they're under marks. I see them exchanging words.
Let's go to the floor.
Oh no! The Jamaicans are still dancing! Oh whoa! How did they win the race? It's astonishing! It's unbelievable!
Where are you now that I need you? Could you be so kind and show me a sign? I've been searching and it's so hard to find. Decent values with the decent wine. Decent to be running it down the line. Maybe it's my mind, maybe I'm lying. Maybe it's the way that I've been spending my time.
She said the calling on my pocket, tick. She said the size of my rims, tick. She said the size of my house, tick. Same so she said about the size of my yo. And I watch me till her neck, crick. Young gal, can you pan walking stick? The ham down green on me.
Wagger. Fat girl. Banana, yam. Anything you want. Now, what up on your bread or you prefer the jam? Carry to the beach, eat crabs and clam. A fat girl. When I never met a man, woo! We might just get hit with the
Me Melly. Cause we in the field with them bird like we play for the Eagles. I'm on probation, so let me not talk what's illegal. Switch it up.
Kevin, you left the yard today, though, and don't lie to me. No, mommy, never left the yard. Only I gotta ask you one more time. But not lie, mommy.
Hey! Yes, mommy, see him there, look too. Kevin! Come here! How much time I tell you don't left the yard when me not did it?
You have a government now that you can trust.
Why you is a liar? You blood clot liar. No Jesus, you too damn blood clot lie, man.
Me never sell furniture and me never wanna share. Gyal a laugh and gyal a cheer, cause them know you faker than the fingernail where gyal a wear. Oh, she have the gun we bust them head like greater beer.
Hey, I don't love you no more. I am going to have sex with all the girls in the village.
What I do to you, Abu? What I do?
Hey, you are just very ugly. You look like a wildebeest.
Oh my god, you look thirsty, drink some water.
Give it to me, you ugly motherfucker. What is this? You have poisoned me, you witch. You are the devil. So you ready for the thunder? When me done with you, you probably catch a arthritis in your heart. A beer bomb me go drop in you. Or push it in, stop attacking. You like that? You push it in? You never know.
You never know. You push it in.
Daddy, look here. Me buy $20.
Oh, you buy $20? How much you pay fee?
I pay a $50 fee. Me just like how it look. It just look pretty.
Oh.
Don't see that? I go buy one more tomorrow. I can't keep that.
You have no sense. Watch it from in front of me.
I feel blessed.
Daddy just build up. I'm quicker than you.
Go ban a girl in a pineapple frock, pineapple baggy and pineapple socks. Oh, so she want a pineapple box shot. My girl come sit down for me pineapple cock. You know want the pine juice, girl out of me pine back.
Watch out, yeah, bug. Woman here.
It was out
of the
and into the net within seconds. Oh my word! Outstanding performance. Nothing.
Watch a replay, watch a replay.
Down.
Yes, it was a perfect. Yo, dog, you know, so you can chill for reggae boy still.
Sure. You there?
Yeah, that's you like me, yeah. Don't know my face. You sure? Yes, you there?
Hey boy! You probably wonder why I have the mango day in my hand and why I thief out of my mother pot. Because I'm hungry eat what else. But anyway, it all started a week ago.
Yo, Pine, like me and a couple of the guys from work trying to play some hockey coming on. The yard man no play with food, dog. I harm to you. What? Me no know about you in my youth, but me no play with hockey in a dog. I heat hockey in my youth. Me no know what you talk about.
Okay.
Blood clot. Come get this. Alright. I'm gonna push it in now.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, the bumper clot. Air Force. After me now hear that. Am my shoes, man?
How are you?
How you? You know see me in here? At my house this, you can't come up people here and ask that. I'm tell youth. Kevin passed the remote from can't bother reach that I know. Can't bother? Imagine if I that me this when your school fee for pay, what you do? Why, may I tell you, nobody no business about me in the house saying, I'm enough about to cook dinner to don't. But it's alright, I know I'm gonna start. But the remote right beside you. It's alright. Once you own, I go eating at this.
Me dey a country, me find banana tree. Me find cane, me no see the yam field. Country, and me really can't believe.
What a go?
If all gone, them no catch a goat thief.
Alright.
Country, country.
Where me go? Oh, gee.
You see me girl them, them have enough to taste these. These what? These nuts. The one in a me brief. My girl them have enough to taste sausage. Which one? The one in a me catches. My girl them, good girl them. Dog, yeah, fish. Yo, man, hungry no man. Yo, stop at that girl and go find something to eat. To you. You don't see nothing there. What this? Go eat something before my boss said with the coconut there.
And under your pretty gold dress, come on your face, call it a protect.
The cleaner room.
Come on your face, call it a protect. Fast life, fast drive, fast lane, fast life, fast. Me have everything you need.
Yeah, Nanny!
Me have everything you need. Me have everything.
Black people of the night. I told this congregation.
How do Marcus Paul?
Look there! Suck it there!
What? How was the Sammy then? Alive!
Shut up!
Girl them fi carry gas pan. Them a fi chang. One hand, my girl them fi ever gas it. Me have beef, we make patty, my girl them. Good girl them. You see me girl them, them a fi teeth out a pot.
What you mean?
Take your meat, hold the cover when it's hot. My girl them, them a fi know fi cook a can curry chicken when me look a cow foot. My girl them, good girl them. Okay class, I'm stepping out for a second. Kevin is the monitor. Alright, when you hear that, I want to see which body boy I go make nice.
Look where we can use the match.
Who said that? Detention. Who that? Timmy walk on me G, you good?
Yeah, dog.
Detention. Okay class, I'm stepping out for a second. Kevin is the monitor. Alright, when you hear that, I want to see which body boy I go make nice.
Look where we can use the match.
Who said that? Detention. Who that? Timmy walk on me G, you good?
Yeah, dog.
Detention.
Grandpa, make a look of the light here. Alright. Oh, Jesus! Me blind now! Why? How am I going away? Look. Grandpa, I just make a look of the light and you say, yes, I want you, man. Sorry. Talk up loud next time. Lock it off. Oh, Jesus! Me blind again! Help me! Female studies on over. So you now give me a chance to jack your hair move, so. Me no want you deaf. Me have weave. We have? Weave. What type? Brazilian. Oh, Jesus! No, well done.
You see me girl them, them a fi fat, them a fi wagga.
Oh,
them fi broad like the J.A. flagger. My girl them a fi ever hungry. Them fi box me down when them not dumpy. My girl them, girl them. You see me girl them a fi carry gas pan.
What you mean?
Them a fi chant.
How chant?
One hand, my girl them a fi ever gas it.
Hano poop.
Me have beef, we make patty. My girl them, girl them.
Oh, Jesus.